Today I am going to show you how to make super easy and delicious Indomie noodles at home. And if you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So let's start with the cooking process. Here I have vegetable oil, and you can use any oil of choice, powdered pepper, green bell pepper, onions, 2 large eggs, and you can add any vegetable you are cool with. So I already have water on fire and here it was boiling. So I am going to add my Indomie noodles into it. And this is the noodles. I added it and I will add the seasoning, give it a quick stir for everything to be well combined, and then I will cover it and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Here we don't want to overcook the noodles, so 5 to 7 minutes it is okay. So here my Indomie is okay now, and I am going to strain it using a strainer, and then we will continue. In a pan, I will add oil on medium or low heat, and here I am going to scramble my eggs. So you can just fry your eggs and then put them on the Indomie, or you can just do the same way I am doing here. So I am going to scramble them very well, and then I will set it aside and then continue with the next process. So I will add oil again and go in with my onions, saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Throw in my green bell peppers, saute that one too for 1 minute. And here comes my Indomie. So I will add the Indomie and then give it a proper mix. And here, as you can see, the Indomie wasn't overcooked. So the consistency is just perfect for this recipe. Next, I am going to add my powdered pepper. Here, add as much as possible as you can handle, okay? I will then add the seasoning again. But here, be very careful with the seasoning so it doesn't be over, okay? Give it a stir for everything to mix well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And please share this video, okay? So other people can also see my content. Allow it to stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes after everything is well mixed, and then your Indomie noodles is ready, guys. So you can just try this recipe or just do it for a visitor who comes around and they will call you boss you. Don't forget to give this recipe a try, okay? And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. But don't forget to subscribe, okay? See you in the next one. Bye bye.